So today we have a guest speaker with us. She will be talking about entrepreneurship skills and yeah, basically over to her.
Hello guys. Hello guys. I am Soumya, the founder. Hello guys. I am Soumya Mageja, founder of the Better Wise, a bakery business that I started in school itself. I was a student here, and I used to sit where you all are sitting. Uh, Now I have one question for you all. Is somebody here who wants to start a business of their own? Can I know what you want to do? Okay. And who else? Now I want you to learn 5 skills that are important for entrepreneurship. Those 5 skills are can really learn money. So so C stands for creativity. We all know creativity is one of the important aspect of starting a business. If you aren't creative enough, you cannot start a business because you need to innovate something or the other. Then comes resilience. People fail. People stop selling things because they fail. But then that is not the end of it, right? When we fail, we learn a lot many things. So that is important. Then comes time management. Who all knows time management is a skill here?
Where you always can you repeat the question, please?
Who all knows time management?
And make yourself better. So eventually it will also manage your time and it will contribute to your self-management.
Perfect. That is what an example of time management is. Then comes learning. So as an entrepreneur, I learn every day something new, and it can be something from as small as a kid, and as it can be anything that I learn every day. So and then comes money. So money, if you don't earn money out of it something, there is no sense of doing the business that you're trying to do. Profit matters a lot. So can someone now explain me what this CT, CRTLM means? I want 3 volunteers here. You can come. Who else?
Mohammed Wakil, you come. Come at
Guys, can you hear me now? So you 5 are a team and you have to make new products. You have to innovate a product yourself here. I'll give you 5 minutes and then you have to present the product, right? How you sell it, how you market it, and everything that you can do about the product. Can you guys do that? I'll give you 5 minutes. Now
for 2000 rupees, I'd rather buy for 2000 rupees, I'd rather buy a subscription for a website where you can make a website, or I'll buy a domain and I'll get a friend who knows how to build website. I'll collaborate with him and make a platform, a network platform where all content creators can collab together and like they get jobs over there, they can collab and build their own network. And that whole business will work on subscription model. Like there, it's difficult to get attention. Here, the content creator is collaborating with content. Nowadays, companies also need content creators, so they can also hire someone.
Did you listen to his idea? Yes. What was it? And do you think he will monetize out of it? How do you want money out of
So I will be getting a 30-day trial on Shopify to sell my product, and the product I will be selling will be anime-related stationery for YouTube-related children and kids. So I will be buying Royal stationery and I will be buying specific anime watch for example stickers, and I will be customizing that stationery and then I will be selling that on Shopify. And the technically I was studying anime stickers. So in India, this has been very popular. In India, Japanese is so I will be getting Japanese anime. By selling I will advertise it on social media to Instagram.
If we have a round of applause to them.
As part of friend, I'm just subscription on my website, and friend that can build websites. So basically, I make a website about custom questions of examples, because if you solve some problems, it may feel repetitive because almost all the questions and answers are the same. So you can practice using this, and with the rest of the money, I'll buy advertisements or study channels or YouTube.
If you are already doing this, what do you want? Someone from 11th grade might do this. Can you be louder? SaveMyExams.com is already doing that. Did you guys ever do it?
Guys, hello. Can everyone please pay attention?
Yeah. This group is ready. They had a challenge to collaborate in the group and then make an innovative product and sell it to you guys.
So today we have made an app of the translated foreign other languages. So the name of the app is called Art. This app can help anyone around the world communicate with each other in other languages. So if someone knows Chinese and someone doesn't, then the person that knows Chinese talks with someone in Chinese but translates into their own language. See, everybody, this happens how? Like, if you're talking to someone who doesn't know your language or you don't know theirs, you can communicate with an app that helps you, like, talk to them in your own language or in their language. Any questions? Yes, is doing it.
I would like to clarify one thing that Google is only translating the inputs that we put in, but our app is directly live translating into your own personal understanding. But you have to input it directly. Yes.
What about the pricing?
Huh?
Pricing of your product?
For a normal subscription, it will be around 200 per month, and for a premium subscription, which can actually like a zero delay, it can translate it to your language, to your own personal recording, it's like 500 per month.
Okay. And let's say your customer is in US, then
Let's say our person is in US, also for international, for payments.
what will be the prices for people in US?
It can be $50. $10.
That is more like $3-4. Why expensive in US?
They are saying that the Samsung is doing like that, but some people does not have the Samsung mobile. So what they will do if they do not have the Samsung mobile?
Once again, I'm mentioning Google does not directly interfere with your calls. So Google cannot do what we are doing. But people who do not have such a what are they going to do? Why would you try cancel? Any note?
What about the risk of your conversations getting leaked by the app?
First of all, we understand your concern about your privacy getting leaked. But our company is not selling your data to anybody. It is relating with us. And all of the companies, Amazon, Google, any companies, if you talk in the street, if you talk in front of your computer for like 10 minutes about dogs, Google will listen to the information and give you websites for dogs, but will not do something like that. You are keeping the information safe, unlike Google, which is giving information to random companies.
So we are basically creating a t-shirt that's basically made of nanoparticles, which means anybody can wear it anytime, anywhere. So it could change shape, size, color, everything.
Actually, like in India, there are many insecurities, like if we are fat and all. It's like isn't bad. It is bad. So we need a readjustable t-shirt that could fit our size.
As we all know, like nanoparticle has the power to like fit to different sizes, and therefore we've catered we've thought to this t-shirt. So it's better. It's kind of one-time investment that can change sizes, designs, colors, and adjust to every different body type.
I have some questions. Yeah, we'll take only 2 questions.
T-shirts and all that. So it's more sustainable for the long run.
We have actually thought of this before, so we are planning to wash it to centrifugation because they have different densities with the waste you have. That's why we have actually thought it.
Now, other than this, do you have any questions? Other than their brand, do you have any
everyone. Exactly, he told me the exact definition of SIC. SIC is the Student Innovation Council. ठीक है? स्टूडेंट इनोवेशन काउंसिल का ऑब्जेक्टिव या एम ये है कि आपके अंदर हम क्रिएटिविटी इनोवेशन डेवलप कर पाए. Okay, anybody knows what is entrepreneurship and why it is important? I just want both the answers. What is entrepreneurship and why it is important for you, for the nation, for the world? Just one hand. Okay, please. We have just one answer from here. ठीक है?
Entrepreneurship is combining factors of production together to produce a good or service to the entire market based upon their needs and wants.
Yeah, why is it important?
It is important because everybody has something they want to buy with their money. If you have money, there's always a desire to get buy toys or games or something. So that's why businesses use factors of production like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship to make those goods and services and provide it to you.
Partially correct. Partially correct, Catherine. The main objective of entrepreneurship is not just business. Entrepreneurship or startup is not equals to business. Okay, give me a chair. How many of you are from a business family? Raise your hand. Okay, hands down, hands down. Thank you so much. See, business is different than entrepreneurship or a startup. How? I will tell you. Business is, there is a need and basically you are just fulfilling it. Okay, let's take an example. Stationery. ठीक है? अगर यहाँ पे कोई स्टेशनरी की शॉप है या कोई मॉल है तो बेसिकली वो एक नीड फुलफिल कर रहे हैं. Yes or no? Will it be considered as a startup or entrepreneurship? Yes or no? Will it be considered as startup or business? Business. And what makes a business to a startup? Like what is the difference between business and startup? Just one factor. There is just one factor. Yes, Arup.
Startup is something which is new, which is being still created, is still in the process of the making, but the business is something which is already established and has a proper customer base and a regular customer base and a proper product that they are working on. And startup is just a thing which is building up to be a business. It's not a business yet.
Thank you, but I don't exactly agree, but thank you so much, Arup. Please cheer for him. See, the only factor which makes business and startup different is the innovation. Innovation in any business is called a startup. There are multiple stationery shops in Indore. Yes or no? Yes or no? What if before Blinkit and quick e-commerce, अगर मैंने ये सोचा होता कि मेरी एक स्टेशनरी शॉप है and I will deliver within 10 to 5 minutes using my network, क्या वो स्टार्टअप होता? क्या वो स्टार्टअप होता? That is why that makes business and the startup different. Okay? So innovation. To start any business, innovation is important. And in this world of AI and ChatGPT, it is becoming so much more difficult to even brainstorm your ideas. Okay? Because for that, you have to observe. कोई भी startup start करने के लिए या innovate करने के लिए, you need to understand and observe the problem. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is important to observe and identify the problem which is already existing in society. Can you name a few billionaires and millionaires of India or the world? Randomly, Ambani, yes.